be playing Athletic Escape. I'm sorry I had to whisper because my parents are praying. So yeah. Gotta wait, like this loads so long. That's my sister right there, but she's not with me. She's in her room. Just gotta wait for her. Oh, done. Okay, let's go. She probably watched me. Okay, now I just gotta get. The gravity coil is like. Okay, come on, sissy. Bruises on both mine. Sis. Sis. Okay. Hello, sis. Hello. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? Come on, someone has to be with me. Let me knock on her. She left the game. One second. I need to call her name. Oh, she joined back. Let's get the game started. Bruises on both my knees. Okay, I wanted to go on medium, but bruises on both. Like when someone says I'm recording, everyone's like, "Damn, this girl's famous." I'm like, no one says that to me. I'm like, Mr. Lonely. Do. And I kept. So, I don't even know. Oh, we go over here. Do you guys like Flood Escape? Like, I love Flood Escape. Yeah. Bloxburg, I never played that before. No. It's kind of not fair. Like, I wish it was, like, for free instead of for Robux. And you should check out the last video I made. It was about, what was it? I didn't know that girl was a gold digger. She was, like, a really gold digger. Like, I didn't know she was a gold digger, but, no. Like, what the heck? Like, who does that? She was like, well, you shouldn't be coming in my house. Like, get out or something. I don't know what she said. She said, like, you should get out. You bully. I'm like, wait, how's that bullying? So, yeah, I made it. Like, and then she was like, well, you're not a plus, so you're poor. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Even though I don't have plus, that doesn't mean I'm poor. Okay. Oh, it's just only us. this both my. This is insane. It's just only us. And so we're gonna have to do all of this by ourselves. So I'm like singing the song, but it's like exactly. Yeah. So you know those green buttons in Flood Escape? That's the buttons you need to click. You don't have to click the blue ones, you know. You just have to click a green one. And it's already open for you. Let me go out here. Maybe jump. This. Come, sissy. Oh. I'm stuck like a cow. Moo, 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 like I'm a goo goo. Goo goo goo. Click this button. So, go. But like, you probably need to click some blue buttons. Yeah. This is so easy. Don't. It's so funny. Okay, should I get? The blue one is really nice. I don't like green. Ooh. Oh my god, click the button. Oh wow. She didn't even click the button, so I... Wow. You know what? We don't need her. Guys, we can do it by ourselves. Okay? We can do it. Excuse me, how dare that girl go like that? Boo. Boo, you alright? You're supposed to help me. Boo boo, chicken. Chicken nuggets, brown bear. And I told you we can beat this level. Donald Trump's hair. Who loves... Okay, I don't get it. How do you guys like Donald Trump? Mostly, I think Donald Trump is racist. But this... told you we could beat that. Oh. Not this. Not this. Not this. This on my crisp tipsy. Okay, now that song's stuck in my head. Now I know why my sister likes the song. I'm a bad guy. Okay. Well, the water didn't rise that far. I fell. Almost made it. She better help me, like. You guys should replay that one. Mr. Lonely. Yeah, it was really sad. Like, click the button. I didn't click the button. Then my sissy died. I don't really care. Oh my god. When you can't choose. Okay. This girl gotta get it, y'all. Got it. I already gotta get it. I already got it. See, if you click the green button, I didn't even click the blue button, and we still can go in. Okay, the trick on this, I can teach you. So, go right, climb up, right? And then, you're not gonna use that. Okay, then you're gonna have to try to jump. I know this is kind of hard, so then, go like that, right? Then you get the speed. Then, you go right here. Then, I used to always die on that level. It was really hard. Like, guys, I didn't even pass it. But now I passed it. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Shoot, I gotta get up. Okay, I don't know how water can go through glass, but the glass doesn't break. No, in this one, not in my life. I don't like living, like, at the house, like, in the ocean. I don't like living like that, because, what happens if it breaks, and then the sharks, oh my god, no, I shouldn't be thinking like that. Oh shoot, I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, I'm gonna die. That was really sad, but well, I'm in here, guys, so I gotta go, so it's time for my bedtime. Okay, bye.